Drive Medical Knee Walker 790 Steering Fork Replacement Video. Tools needed: adjustable wrench, 6mm hex key. Squeeze the brake levers and push down on the brake lock buttons. This will help prevent excessive movement during assembly. Unlock the tiller and fold it down. Use a 6mm hex key to loosen the steering column. Remove the steering column. Use a large adjustable wrench to remove the lock nut and the adjustable race from the frame. Remove the steering fork from the frame. Make sure you keep the bearing rings. Remove the bearing ring from the steering fork. Use a 6mm hex key to remove both wheels from the steering fork. Make sure you retain the lock washer. Install both wheels onto the new steering fork. Install the lower bearing ring onto the new steering fork as shown. Make sure you install the bearing ring bearing side up. Install the new steering fork onto the frame. Make sure the steering limiter goes into the steering limiter bracket. Reinstall the adjustable race and the lock nut onto the frame. Reinstall the tiller onto the frame. Make sure the arrow on the frame lines up with the arrow on the steering column. Use a 6mm hex key to tighten the steering column locking bolt. Fold the tiller back up and lock it into place. For more information, visit us online at www.drivemedical.com, or you can reach us at 877-224-0946.